Now the switch on first. Now next is the power on switch. And then the DSP will be light. It will be show you what will you do next. Here have the all access home. Now no, we not back home because we have the other things to do. Okay. Yeah. Now we look for the point yesterday we worked. Now we turn this switch 90 degrees. It will be turned to this way. The spindle will be changed. Each side now we will be use the spindle to carving. It's not use this one. Okay, now we go to look for the work plan.
我们顶尖是吧？
Work plane just like the origin. This place when you are doing you should be very carefully. This place when you had already find the work plane here, the XY to 0 and the Z 0. Now we set up the Z, the origin. Just then is XY, now is Z. Let the tool touch the wood, touch the plastic surface, the Z and 0. And then press OK, it will be back to the origin. This is the USB and connect them together. Here it will be show you it's reading the flash disk. You just wait a few minutes. After will be do the next. Before you use USB, you should be cleared all the things in the USB. If inside have more things, it will be very slow reading. Now it's reading flash, it's okay. And now press menu and then press the operate. Now we select the program files. F this one. If here inside already have files, the name with this one is the same. You should be covered it. This not is a problem. Only cover it is okay. And now let the spindle on. This button, the on and off. Now waiting the spindle on and then select the button and choose the program files from the inner files and look for the files. And select it. Press OK. This no care this. Yes. And here we can set up the work speed and the work skills, speed skills, and the fall down skills. Cái nó bản gì? Yeah. Oh. It's better the down one is bigger than the first one. And now spindle already the fully speed, and then we can press OK. It will be start. Spindle, it will be working very slow because the first we can't make sure if it is correctly or wrongly, so we should be give the slowly speed. From use the Y plus and Y minus and let the speed up and down. This place 0.5. This is the speed scale. Slow, you can from the DSP press the Y minus and Y plus and up the speed. Now it's just OK and like this. First start the work. We should be first do is let the machine working. Use the rotary working, not use the spindle, only use this one, these two working. So we should do is this place. This one change. This button we changed. So and this one not enough. We should be use another button. This one. First lose this one. Lose the screw loose. And this one we can back. Here is a little tight. So when you are doing this, you should be careful. And this one back inside the gear, it will be only use the rotary working. This place is better you not here. It will be not come in, so not hit together. And then come here, this one it will be working. Don't forget this place. See there, it's working. It's said when this button turn to this degree, and this button turn to this degree, and that place you reback the view. It will be Turn this one, it will be working. The rotary. Here will be show you the speed. Look at this. Okay. Okay, that's all. 完了，
这拖到了啊！
我操这。The first is we set up the origin, and use this tool. Use this tool. And now we should be looking for the origin where we set up. And now we here this place, the tool. We look for the origin place, and we from here just is the X, Y, Z0 and the Z0. It's okay. And the next is look for the program files. And here from this button is the round button, and turn on the rotary. The rotary will be working. The speed not so much, not so let it is slower, no problem. And from here, run the program files and select the where is the files you select, and okay, and select which one is this one. And here we edit the work speed. This speed we can give it slower and not so much. This please, just like this. Speed skill not so much at first. After we can up it the skill. And this one fall down, 0.3 always this number is okay. And press OK. And down the speed, this place. This is the speed skill. Over here, up, up. It said it will be slower